I am messaging you as your husband. I am messaging you as your husband, not as just a man who fell for you once, but as someone who wakes up every single day realizing that you have become my entire definitions of peace, chaos, love, and meaning all at once. When I say this, it's not about titles or rings. It's about the way my heart recognizes you as home. You might not understand how deep that word feels when I say it, but when I call you my wife, my partner, my forever, it's not just love, it's a promise I keep making silently in every heartbeat. I am messaging you not out of routine, but because every moment without your reply feels like an unfinished sentence, like a breath I forgot to release. There's something incredibly magical about how my day revolves around your name, how your smile controls my mood, and how your silence shakes my world. I am messaging you not as someone desperate for attention, but as the man who wants to remind you over and over that loving you is not a phase, it's my life's most beautiful decision. You know what's funny, my love? I still get shy while typing to you. Even after all the calls, all the confessions, all the shared dreams, I still rehearse my words before sending them. Because that's what husbands do, not the ones in legal papers, but the ones in heart promises. I may not have given you the whole world yet, but I have already given you the universe that lives inside me. You live in my mind's every corner, from my morning coffee thoughts to my midnight prayers. And when I say I am your husband, I mean I have already married your soul. The laughter, the anger, the imperfections, the moods. I have walked to all of it. You are the kind of woman who doesn't need a ceremony to be mine. My heart has already crowned you in every silent beat it makes. every day. I thank destiny for making me yours, even when distance or silence stands between us. My heart never leaves your side. You are the reason I wake up with hope and go to sleep with gratitude. You have taught me what it means to love without limits, to trust without fear, and to dream without end. If I could, I would wrap my arms around you right now to remind you that no matter where life takes us, you will always have me, always only you, my forever, my heart, my wife, with all my love, your husband. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.